Hello guys, it's been a while. I want to show you a very beautiful trading strategy. Um, there's a lot about it, but at the same time I will just mention a few things that I will be looking for in order to take this trade. It's very important to note that this is 1 hour chart. It's a 1 hour time frame, but this is the first one I'm going to actually look at. And if you notice, we have the pivot from this level here. At this level, what is the price? The price is around 1.16679. So we have the first leg here, and we have the second leg up here. Then we have the third leg coming down here. Did you notice something here? At the open of this candle, you see this green candle, the open break is very important. People usually talk about breaking of structure and all that. Yes, that we have to wait and or break of character or whatever it is. But me, I'm just looking at the break of open, if that makes sense. So break of open. So we have a break of open, 1 hour candle here, and quite interesting. So what am I looking for? I am looking to sell this market. So I will be looking very cautiously. I usually take my execution on 1 hour, 1 minute time frame. So I look at 1 hour just to tell me exactly where I'm going. That's like a bigger picture. I go to 15 minutes to see what's happening. Now we have a new 15-minute candle forming. If you notice, this is 14:15 in my own time. So we are waiting for something special here. And what is that? I'm looking for a 15-minute candle which will be buying. So I have to wait for this particular candle to close up. If it can close up a little bit, and wherever it closes, then I will be taking a sell from that close of that candle back down to this pivot area. It doesn't have to reach the pivot area. I'm looking for just only 1 or 2. It's just some kind of special type of trading strategy. There's more to that, but I just wanted to tell you what I'm looking for. I'm looking to sell. We're not going to let this video to be too long. However, I would share the result after the whole situation, or if I'm already in the trade, I can actually record the trades. But don't forget, I'm still looking for one more important information that the chart must present to me. And what is that? 15-minute candle closing up, not down. So when it closes up, it gives us opportunity. It's like a little retracement, and to start coming back down, especially if it closes and it closes close to all this resistance level here. This indicator is showing some resistance and support, pivot, Fibonacci and all that. But if it closes just below or below them, it's even easier for more push to the downside. So let's wait and see. I would update you on how the trade goes. So let's hang in there and let's wait for what happens next. Yes, as we can see, we said earlier that we'll be waiting for the 15-minute candle to close in green. So now, if you look at my time, we have only 3 minutes to go for this candle to close in green. Once it closes in green, the next line of action is to switch to 1 minute time frame. So we're expecting this to close in green. If it doesn't close in green, then we look for another 15-minute candle that will close in green. It's still moving back and forth. If we are lucky and fortunate enough, then it will happen. Then it means that we will be preparing for the trade. Otherwise, we are going to wait for the next green candle. So we are 3 minutes to go. Then after that, we will move to the 1 minute candle, and we will find the pattern and the trigger on that level. So we have, as we can see, we have the candle closes, it closed in green. So then we go to 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we're gonna find something to tell us to start selling. So in this situation, I see that the market is really coming down, but I do really need some kind of move up. If it moves a little up from here, maybe from this angle back to this level here, then it's a very good reason for me to start selling. But here it's a little bit down, so we will not be taking the trade immediately. We'll be looking for some reversal, and when we see the reversal back a little bit up, if you look at the 15 minute, we'll see that it's coming from here. So if we can just move a little bit back up from here as he's doing now, then we can see some movement down. Then we can start to plan our execution. We will be patient, and just also be patient with us as we execute this trade. We'll see how it goes. I'm using the magic keys to calculate my risk so that I won't risk more than necessary. Usually I risk 1 to 2 reward ratio. That's what I'm always looking for. So we will see what happens, and we are ready to take trades whenever all data and all playbook come together. Then we will take the trade. So we're looking for a move up, a little bit up, then we can find a trade setup to come down. As we can see, traders, the market flushed down as expected. We see from this candle, green candle that I was actually talking about, and from there we see a flush. However, unfortunately, on our 1 minute, we are unable to find the right pattern to enter the trade when it was flushing down. We are expecting the market from this level to go up a little bit and now give us this pattern to start coming back down. However, once the green candle, the doji 15 minute kind of doji candle formed, it didn't wait. We just moved down. Unfortunately, we couldn't catch the move, but we have the best idea. We knew the market was coming down. So what's to do? Well, we just have to wait and see if we will have any kind of retracement, but if not, we'll wait for a new setup from the beginning to the end. There's actually more to this strategy than what I just said, but this is just for you to have an idea how powerful this strategy is. So if you want to learn more about this strategy, or perhaps you want to understand how it works, there's a link below. You can join our Telegram channel and you can receive free signal from time to time, and we can build a community there. So this is the wrap, traders, and we are very sorry we couldn't make this trade happen because the market moved so fast. Well, there's always another time.
So let's keep going, keep trading, risk well, and don't over risk. So thank you, traders, for watching, and this is a wrap.